Hello everybody. Back in the winter, I took a 350 out of this truck and put a 4.3 in it. Now there's a few things that never have worked on this truck, even before I done it. The air conditioning was one of them. I charged it once a couple years ago when my granddad had it. Well, step-grandfather, but pretty much granddad. For some reason, it wouldn't kick on the air. Now, if you jumped basically you had to put fire directly to the compressor to make it work. But it would cool if you did that. Over a long period of time, it leaked out because the compressor that was on this was leaking. I'm going to just go ahead and do a few things. I'm going to have to make the 350's air conditioner lines reach the 4.3. I reckon this is the only thing I'm going to have to change. This one hose is too short. Alright, so pretty much everything out here. The compressor was either the wrong kind of compressor, or had metal in it. This compressor was good, but the lines I found didn't use the O-ring. They used the flat washer. And this one was working, but the compressor is full of metal, slowly eating itself. So I hunted around and came up with this one and took the lines off of a 4.3 truck, and to solve the wiring problem, I'm going to try to make this work. I grounded this wire to a bolt, connected that directly to it. I'm going to put a toggle switch on this wire to where it kicks the compressor on, if there's enough pressure here for it to kick on. In other words, the way I'm doing this, if it has a leak and you turn on the switch, it's not going to kick the compressor on. But if it's still got refrigerant in it and enough pressure to turn that on, it'll turn it on. This is never going to be a how-to video, because I wouldn't want somebody to get out here and hurt their self or their truck or car by doing it the way I'm doing this. But right now, the air conditioner's not working on this truck. So if I mess it up, it didn't have one anyway. We're going to find out what happens. The air's cold. What I used, this was Freeze 12 with a leak finder. I used 2 cans of it, well, a can and a half, and it put it at 38 pounds on the low side. Line's cold. That one's freezing. So we'll find out how long that lasts. Once, if that leaks out, I might swap it over to propane. But right now, it's working. All right. So I ended up being able to fix the wiring problem. But I charged it. It's still a little bit low. There's enough in there for it to cool some. And in other words, I wanted to be able to see if it was going to leak or not. I put 2 cans in it out of 3. And it's Freeze 12 is what I put in it, not R12. It's that replacement they made for a little while. But the air works. We'll see how long it works. So, I want to thank you for watching. That's pretty much it for the truck's air conditioner. God bless, and I'll see you next time.